Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring your iPhone is using iCloud for contacts, so you export a clean list. On the phone, toggle Contacts to iCloud, then on a computer sign into iCloud. Com and open Contacts. Once there, select the full contact list, use CMD/Control+A, and export as a vCard, VCF. This file bundles every contact with phone numbers and emails intact. Make sure the vCard downloads to a location you can access from your Android device or from Google Drive for the next step. Next, you import that vCard into your Google account so Android can use it. Open Contacts. Google. Com and sign in with the Google account planned for your Android. Click Import and choose the VCF file you exported. If prompted, enable duplicate merging to avoid repeated entries. Once the import finishes, scan a few entries to confirm phone numbers, email addresses, and contact photos transferred correctly. If some fields seem split, Google Contacts offers a merge and fix tool to consolidate fragmented entries before you move on. Finally, you sync those Google contacts to your Android device. Add the same Google account on Android via Settings accounts, ensure Contact Sync is enabled, then tap Sync Now to pull everything in. Open the Contacts app and browse or search to confirm all entries are present. If contacts are missing, recheck that the vCard contains all records and that you imported into the correct Google account. Also make sure Contacts Sync isn't paused and that cellular or Wi-Fi data is active. That single check usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.